You, yes exactly you, want to make quick and easy money. This video is for you. I see and hear it all the time. My inbox is flooded with hundreds of emails asking the same questions all the time. How do I make money online? It's such a simple question, but without an easy answer. All too often, it's not a matter of telling someone how to make money online. Instead, it's about getting them to actually take action and being willing to put in the work and effort. As we continue to see entrepreneurship and business booming like never before, I am here once again to provide some useful knowledge for anyone looking to get started with a business of their own, while also giving some actionable tips in the process. It's also important to make sure you are familiar with some of the latest business opportunities and trends in the world today. A perfect resource is this Business Ideas Guide from Oberlo, which provides 25 different ideas and niche markets to make money this year. It's best to find an evergreen product or market that you can make money with over the long term, and not fall into the trap of chasing what's hot right now or the next big thing around the corner. Finally, it's important to understand that creating content really isn't a viable business anymore. With millions of active sites releasing new content daily, new content is simply what we don't need. If you want to create a business online, you must cater to the needs of your audience or customers, and also have a legitimate business model and form of monetization. 1. Create an affiliate marketing focused niche review site. I figure the best way to start off this list is with a business opportunity that really anyone can take advantage of, while not having to invest a lot of upfront money in the process. The concept of a niche affiliate review site is quite simple. Create a site with highly focused content on a specific product, service, or niche, and make money using affiliate marketing to earn a commission on all referred sales and leads. It's easy to get started, but there is actually a lot more that goes into making it successful. As mentioned earlier, content alone will only get you so far. However, if this is your first go-around at making money online, this is a great way to potentially find success, while also learning the ropes and getting familiar with the industry. Worst case scenario is you spend a few bucks on a domain and hosting if it's not your thing. If you made it that far, you've actually done a lot more than the majority of people. 2. Become an actual affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is great. The opportunities that lie within this space are endless, and where else could a kid living in his parents' home end up generating 7 figures and still running a business around the same focus 20 years later? Yes, affiliate marketing is great, and it also allows you to work with some of the biggest brand names in the world, while also never needing to deal with customers or handle products or sales. The difference between having a website or blog, and making money with affiliate marketing or Google AdSense, and actually being an affiliate marketer is you are building ad campaigns and spending money to run your ad campaigns. Again, this is much more competitive with more people entering the world of affiliate marketing daily, but it's still one of the best opportunities out there. 3. Create an e-commerce and dropshipping site. Years ago, I had an online dropshipping store of my own. This was way back before it was cool and before anything like Alibaba and automated dropshipping was around. Now everything is a much smoother and easier process. Despite the complexities it took to manage the site, it was kind of fun having a site that sold a real product and knowing there were customers who were using the products our dropshipper sent out. I even had some great Facebook ad campaigns that brought in a nice ROI. Enough about my story, because e-commerce might be the right business solution for you. The common theme with all of these different ways to make money online is that it's easy to get started and go live, but not so easy to compete, establish a brand, and achieve profitability. To find success with e-commerce, you need to find the right products, make sure they have a nice profit margin, and then also have a way to market to your potential customers. Remember, this space is extremely competitive right now and a lot of people are selling the same stuff. Don't fall into the hype and sell the same things as everyone else. Think evergreen and come up with a creative and effective way to reach your audience. 4. Build a business around the services and audience of Amazon. We've mentioned site building, affiliate marketing, and even e-commerce, but one brand that has taken advantage of all of these methods has still been left out, and that's Amazon, of course. When it comes to building a business online, wouldn't it be great to have your products sold on the largest retailer site on the internet? Wouldn't it also be great if that site could process orders, handle customers, and even ship out your products, too? With Amazon, all of that is true, and there are many different ways to make money with the site, including Amazon Mechanical Turk, crowdsourcing marketplace for individuals and businesses. Amazon Associates, Amazon's referral and affiliate program. Amazon Merch, selling print on demand, t-shirts, and products on Amazon. Amazon FBA, send your products to Amazon for them to sell and deliver. Now, Each of these opportunities are different in nature and can apply to your business differently, depending on what you sell or what your focus is. The important thing to remember is Amazon sells millions of products daily. Having your brand and products on the Amazon site is a huge win if you can get set up correctly. Also keep in mind that there will be a lot of competition, so in no way is it a set and forget solution.